Tell me when you see something that makes sound.
I see a speaker, which makes sound.
What is that part of the speaker called?
That is the tweeter. It produces high-frequency sounds.
Did you attend the Google I/O 2024 event? Following OpenAI's recent release on GPT-4o, Google I/O included a number of upgrades that sparked excitement in the tech industry. Does Google Astra represent the future of AI? Google presented Project Astra at this year's Google I/O, only a day after OpenAI debuted their updated GPT-4o model. The action by OpenAI, which was cleverly scheduled before Google's large event, did not surprise the tech juggernaut. Instead, Google was prepared with a potent reply to demonstrate its advances in AI technology through its Gemini suite, which included the new and fearsome multimodal AI model, Project Astra. The statement was accompanied by a demonstration that swiftly gained notice on the social media platform X, previously known as Twitter. In a direct reaction to OpenAI's most recent accomplishments, Google revealed how its own AI, Gemini, could evaluate a room and make accurate judgments about ongoing activities. This feature is similar to the capabilities demonstrated by OpenAI with its current ChatGPT model, which would result in a head-to-head rivalry in multimodal AI technology. When Google announced Gemini in December last year, it faced a lot of criticism for misrepresenting the AI model's capabilities in a demo film, in which Gemini appeared to instantly understand the things it was given. So, this time, Google included a warning stating that the Astra demo was recorded in 2 sections and in single takes. The battle between Google's Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT appears to be heating up, with both models aiming to transform the way we interact with our gadgets. AI is growing at an alarming rate. Anyway, Google will add Project Astra, or whatever it will finally be called, to the Gemini app on Pixel smartphones later this year, while Apple is rumored to be finalizing a partnership with OpenAI to enable AI capabilities on the next devices, including the iPhone 16 series. Series improvement might be based on a GPT-4o concept. OpenAI has said that future developments would enable more realistic real-time voice discussion and the possibility of communicating with ChatGPT via real-time video. It now interprets and discusses the pictures it sees. For example, solving a math issue, comprehending your expression, or providing information about your meal. Project Astra is the core of Google's latest AI initiatives. It intends to compete with OpenAI's GPT-4o by providing a similarly complex model capable of comprehending and creating information across several media. However, Astra is only one of many new improvements in Google's Gemini portfolio that were highlighted at the event. Well, what else would be coming in recent years? The Gemini 1.5 Flash model stands out as a remarkable debut. This model is intended to do typical tasks like summarizing and captioning at a significantly quicker pace, meeting the growing need for speed and efficiency in AI operations. Another new variant, Gemini Nano, intended for use on local devices such as cell phones, likewise prioritizes speed. Google says that Nano outperforms prior incantations, making it the quickest model for on-device apps. The tech behemoth also unveiled Gemini VO, a model capable of creating films from text inputs. In addition to these models, Google considerably upgraded Gemini Pro's context window. The context window, which controls how much information the model can handle in a single query, has been quadrupled to allow 2 million tokens. This upgrade enables Gemini Pro to handle more complicated commands and offer more thorough replies, reinforcing its status as a top-tier AI model. Gemini Live, created by Google, aims to improve user engagement using sophisticated models. This new product is a voice-only assistant that allows for more smooth conversational engagements. User may have a realistic back-and-forth discussion with an AI, including stopping it if it becomes too lengthy or revisiting previous portions of the discourse. This feature offers a more user-friendly and intuitive experience, bringing AI help to a larger audience. Another interesting feature introduced at Google I/O is a new feature in Google Lens that allows users to search a web by recording and narrating a video. This integration of video input into web search is a huge step forward in how people engage with and use technology, making it more dynamic and entertaining to locate information online. Google is most likely attempting to kill 2 birds with 1 stone by including smart glasses in Project Astra. During the morning keynote, a set of spectacles with a camera and a visual interface were shown on video. During interviews, Google DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis and Google co-founder Sergey Brin acknowledged that the business is testing the notion of manufacturing spectacles for Project Astra. Obviously, it works amazingly on the phone, and it appears to me that glass is the logical choice, said Hassabis, Google's head of AI research. But different form factors may be required once these technologies are completely mature, so don't expect anything just yet. Brim described Project Astra as a killer app for an AI-powered eyewear project, adding that Google was 10 years too late to the game. It's funny because it's like the perfect hardware. He remarked, declining to disclose if Google was actively developing eyewear. Hands-free is the idea. Brim remarked, if you wanted comments on a variety of topics such as cuisine, sports, or how this device could assist you, it could be awkward to do that with both hands holding your phone. That's where Google Lens comes in. The term Astra stands for Advanced Seeing and Talking Responsive Agent. It is designed to be a practical, all-purpose agent in the world. To be really helpful, an agent must be able to understand and respond to the complicated and dynamic environment at the same manner that humans do. It must also be able to receive and retain information in order to understand and act on the situation. According to Google, Astra helps people with their daily lives by using cameras and microphones in their smartphones. Astra creates a chronology of events by continuing analyzing and encoding audio and video input, then storing the results for quick recall. This allows the AI to recognize items, react to inquiry, and recall things that were previously seen but are now out of the camera's view. Now, OpenAI has consistently attempted to grab the news cycle from competitors by releasing its own products before its major product announcements. And this time, with no exception. The AI startup had raised expectations for the announcement so high, with widespread speculation that OpenAI would debut GPT-5 or a generative AI search engine. The CEO Sam Altman took to social media platform X to dispel those myths while still attempting to build excitement for the product reveal. The company did announce a beefed-up version of GPT-4 called GPT-4o. The O stands for Omni. That is designed to act as a personal assistant on a phone or tablet. It has improved voice interaction, the ability to interpret and reason about images from the device's camera, more capable language translation, and much faster response time. The assistant, which has a default female voice, appears to be specifically modeled after the computer assistant in Spike Jonze's 2013 film Her. OpenAI may have misjudged the hype train since many viewers in the livestream event were unimpressed by the news despite the buzz it generated. The event also featured a live demonstration of the model's enhanced speech capabilities, with two OpenAI research leads interacting with an AI voice model. The voice assistant created a bedtime narrative about love and robotics after researchers instructed it to talk with various emotions and vocal inflections. Another presentation employed the phone's camera capabilities to display the AI model as a math equation, followed by a ChatGPT speech mode, guiding them through the solution. During the experiment, a researcher asked the AI model to read their facial expression and rate their emotions. ChatGPT's voice assistant determined that he appeared happy and cheerful with a big smile and maybe even a touch of excitement. Whatever is going on, it seems like you're in a great mood, ChatGPT said in a peppy female voice. Care to share the source of those good vibes? But the technical breakthroughs behind GPT-4o are still amazing. The model is natively multimodal, trained to take in voice and then produce voice. For example, rather than taking the user's voice, converting it to text, feeding it to GPT-4 to build a prompt, and then feeding the resulting output to the text-to-speech model to get a vocal response. This then accelerates the entire cycle. OpenAI has also significantly reduced the number of tokens, segments of data that the model processes, needed to complete a task. This makes the model significantly quicker and cheaper to run than OpenAI's previous best model, GPT-4 Turbo. As a result, OpenAI has been able to make GPT-4o free for all ChatGPT users, as well as provide business clients and developers access to the model via OpenAI's API for half the cost of GPT-4 Turbo. While we do appreciate OpenAI's caution in giving its full speech capabilities to the public, there are definitely risks associated with releasing such a realistic and responsive speech model, including fraud and emotional connection. Who do you think will win this race, OpenAI or Google? If you like this video, make sure to check out our other videos. Feel free to subscribe for more intriguing content. Please let us know if you found the video useful, and we'll see you in the next one.